passed on the white ones. I mean, white Air Force One. We get them all the time. Drake, Fat Joe, everyone gets one. But then I passed on the yellow ones. And that was hard. But the Barcelona joints, the purple Black Mamba steak skin, I wasn't passing on, man. I just couldn't, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy, C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. I appreciate you guys. Today in 4K, we're going to review the latest Black Mamba Kobe Bryant Air Force One. This time is for the FC Barcelona joints, man. I'll be lying to you if I told you I was up on soccer, football, that whole situation over there. I don't watch it. I know the players. I know the Messier and the Messis and I know a couple, maybe 2 or 3. But Kobe Bryant, y'all know that's my GOAT, man. So we're gonna review this in 4K, man. It's so much hidden messages in here, so much nods to Kobe and his championships, so much nods to the whole FC and the Barcelona situation. And I never knew that snakeskin would look this good purple, man. Hit the B-roll. Like I told you, I don't wear Air Force Ones, but I never seen an Air Force One that didn't say Nike Air Force One on the back, man. They really doing it for Kobe, man. You know we don't do too much long talking, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get a white Mamba skin box. As you see it, it is glowing. That Mamba skin is all over the box. At the top of the box, you got Kobe's signature in gold. Super dope, man. You got more gold hits. Mamba logo, Nike logo. The side here, you got the pull-out tab circle, but you can't pull it out. That's probably why it's taped. Another Kobe gold logo. And let's get into the wording. So it reads Air Force One Low Protro PB. Persian Violet Black. You're probably wondering why I say Protro and it's an Air Force One. All Kobe Air Force Ones does come in that technology used. I guess they was hoping he wore it on the basketball court. When you open the lid, there go your quality control stamp. You get that gold and white Kobe logo. I think the first time we seen it was on the gift of Mambas. I'll check it out and see if those had it, but I think I remember. And you get some purple laces also, or what they calling it violet. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Air Force One Barcelona Kobe joints. I wanted to start with the right shoe because it comes with this big card, man. And if we could look at the card, guys, the card reflects. The card has that Mamba snakeskin on it. Look at it, man. This is crazy, man. But what's more crazy is what's inside the card. Look at that reflectedness. No, the camera's not blurry. It's a reflectedness showing you the Protro technology, how they put it inside the Air Force One. Super dope, man. But the card is quality. Comes on a gold beading, so that's why I want to start with the right. But let's get into the shoe, guys. Man, that Mamba prints all through the shoe. Premium leather, guys. And I know y'all see that swoosh just shining. Patent leather swoosh, Air Jordan 11 style, man. But the snakeskin steals the show for me, man. All through the sneaker, guys. I probably want to go back and get them yellow ones now if the quality's like this. At the bottom here, you get the Kobe Bryant logo. Again, this time is in black. His signature, not gold. And it just matches all the blackness crazy. So at the bottom, you just see black. Look close and look at the logo. Look at the logo on the bottom, guys. It's not snakeskin. Y'all tell me what that logo is, man. Super dope. I'm telling you, it's like they put the Kobe logos like tiny. This is crazy, man. It's creeping to the inside of the shoe. Well, yeah, the inside, but not the inside. Y'all know what I mean. That snake skin is shining, guys. Beautiful, man. Again, it comes in black shoelaces, but I showed y'all the purple. I think the black overall is the best because it is a combination of the swoosh, the bottom. It just makes it dope. The sock liner. And let's get to the back. Huge Mamba logo, guys. Like, this is probably the biggest Mamba logo I've seen, man. And it's fitting. It ain't like it's like standing out. It look like it ain't supposed to be there. It's super dope. And seeing it in that purple is dope. I wish they would have added some gold or some yellow, bringing that Laker out. But I think this is dope, man. Sock liner's black. We all love a black sock liner, man. No one wants a white sock liner, to be honest. See if I can get into the inside for y'all. No shoe tree, tissue paper. And then the inside, you get the Barcelona logo in there. Dope. Again, doesn't look like they tried to force it in. It just looks like it fits, man. Along with the inside, the tongue, you get the Barcelona logo too. So it's really a Barcelona shoe, man, mixed with a Kobe. And I really like this shoe. Here's the left side, guys. It'll be easier to show y'all all the stuff because it don't have the big card. Right at the beginning of the shoelace, right here, you get like a Barcelona lock. Super dope, man. Purple and black there. And again, on the tongue and then in the inside. So Barcelona is really popular, man. Nothing's changed from the left to right. Everything's the same. But this is a dope shoe, guys. The bottom, all black. You know what they say about all black Air Forces, man. All black at the bottom. Yes, sir. So these came out last week, couple of days ago. They came out with another Barcelona Kobe. I think it was the 5 or the 6. I'm not sure, but as far as colorful Kobe's, I feel like the Venice Beaches, like they done it the best, man. And then I don't know if y'all can see over there, I got the Kobe's over there, and I also got the Dodger joint. So I really wanted to go for the Air Force One this time. And I'm not going to lie, I'm happy with my decision, man. I really like these joints. I think I paid $150 taxed and shipped from the sneakers app. Right now, if you look, prices range from like $200 to $270 depending on size. It's a popular one because you got Kobe, you got Barcelona, then you got the iconic Air Force One, all combined in one. So it makes it kind of a sought out shoe, man. But if you can get these in hand, man, I know we in 4K, but if you could get these in hand, you will see the quality put on this sneaker. It's just a factor of whether you wear Air Force Ones or not, making you like this style. I swear, this was a dunk, man. Dunks will be back. It'll be through the roof. But I'm not going to lie, I like this, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I got another video coming for y'all. Maybe same day. No, maybe tomorrow. But it's one I never done before. It's some sneakers for my son. If you in the game, then you know what it might be. But I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.